What's up, y'all? It's your girl Zaria Shantae, period. So today we are back with another wig install. Today we're going to be installing the Bilisar hair synthetic wig. If y'all did not check out my unboxing video for this wig, make sure y'all go check out that video. But do not mind these crazy braids that I got going on in the back of my head right now. That's why we finna go on ahead and put a wig on it, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like that I'm about to be putting on my head. Like I said, if y'all did not see that unboxing video, make sure y'all check it out. This wig is actually very soft for it to be a synthetic wig. After doing some more research on T-part wigs, I did realize that that little sewed part that's in the lace right there, I ain't really like that. But other than that, this wig was actually a really good wig, so stay tuned for the install. So the first thing that I wanted to do was kind of just go on ahead and put the wig on to see how it kind of fits on my head so that I could see if it's a good fit, if I got to finesse it a little bit or see what's going on. Y'all see that though? It was definitely giving though. Them curls in that length. Hold on. Yeah. Don't play with it. Okay. So at this point, I did realize that the hairline was a little bit too bulky for my liking, so I did just take it and wet the hairline a little bit and begin to pluck. I am not a pro plucker, y'all, so don't judge the way I'm plucking, but yeah. Okay, so once I got done plucking, I did just begin to slick down my edges a little bit. I don't think I did a bald cap with this unit specifically because it is a T-part wig and I only plan to keep it on for like a day or two. So I just slicked down my edges and that's it. So right now I'm just seeing how exactly the wig fits on my hairline to see if it's matching or if I gotta finesse it a little bit more. And then I'm about to go on ahead and cut out the ear tab so that I can lay it directly on my head.
The girls in my times there, word apart wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at warehouse in 09 like it's fun coming. Dad, is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there? These days, I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. That girl for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me.
So like I said before, I don't plan on having this wig on for too long, so I'm just using Got2b glue spray to actually put my wig on. Layers of Got2b glue spray and just kind of let it dry a little bit in between each spray. Not fully dry, but you know, just enough for it to get a little bit tacky. And then after that, I just went on ahead and laid down the lace. So unfortunately, you can't really see me laying down the lace for real, because if you know, you know. If you blind, you gotta be real up close in that mirror if you don't got no contacts on to see what it is that you're doing. So yeah, y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. Okay, so here I am actually laying the lace down. With Got2b glue spray, you do have to work pretty fast and you gotta be very conscious of what it is that you're doing because your lace will slip and slide around, especially if it's not tacky enough. But I just went on ahead and put that lace down, sprayed some more Got2b glue on the top of the lace, and then put my melt band on top. Okay, so after maybe about 10 to 15 minutes of letting that, dry and melt a little bit, I went on ahead and took off the melt band and then began to cut off the lace. As y'all could probably see, I started to feel myself a little bit with the big curly hair. Ooh, the face. But yeah, so I'm about to start cutting off the lace. Okay, so once I was done cutting off all the lace, it was giving forehead big as fuck, but it was still kind of cute though. So let's keep watching and see what I do next, because child, I don't even remember. Okay, so after that, I took out some edges, just a little bit, and then I was attempting to tie that lace band back down, but as y'all can see, I was struggling a little bit. Okay, so once I took that melt band off, this is what it was giving. Why did it just glitch? I don't know. I don't know if y'all saw that. But yeah, I tried to do me a little two edges in the front, little sideburns. So stay tuned to see how that, came about. As y'all can see, I didn't really care that my hair was out in the front because the hair is big and it covers that up anyways. And I only plan to have it on for a day or two. But even though this video is not done yet, overall I feel like this hair was real cute. I feel like this could be a cute little throw-on wig. Nothing that you want to be wearing and like keeping on all day and stuff like that. But other than that, the curl pattern is real cute. It don't get too nappy. It definitely did not fit my head right, and that extra little sew part in the front and the lace definitely did me no justice at all. But yeah, keep watching. So right here, I'm trying to hot comb it a little bit. I'm trying to make sure that for when my edges are laying flat and the hairline is kind of laying flat and pushed back, and that you can actually see where I plucked it at. So that's kind of the thing that I was trying to do. Okay, so right here, I'm just kind of swooping my edges a little bit. I don't think I yet cut it, but I've always heard that you should swoop first and then cut after, just so that you know kind of how you want them to look, so that when you do cut it, it is cut to the right length and to how you're gonna like it. Working 9 to 5 just to stay alive, the 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 9 to 5 just to stay alive. Okay, so right here, I am just trying to hot comb the top to get it flatter. For some reason, it was not getting any more flat than what it was for real. I don't know if, my hot comb wasn't hot enough, or if I needed to use like wax or whatever. But I did not want to put too much heat on it simply because it is synthetic hair and I didn't want the hair to like burn. So yeah. So this is basically how it turned out. Here go a TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me, y'all.
Whenever you miss me, just remember, you had me and I wasn't enough, bitch.